Today we're going to do an unboxing of a Star Wars gyrocopter drone. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so today we got an Hogs Millennium Falcon remote controlled gyrocopter. So it says it has gyro stabilization. This is a Star Wars product, and with Star Wars coming up very soon, I figured let's do a drone review, unboxing, and all that of something that is Star Wars related. I've honestly had this sitting in my box. It went from Florida to North Carolina with me, and it's just been sitting here, and I wanted to do a review of it. Now's the perfect time, so let's go ahead and do that. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and open it. So there's some little tabs here. Well, I just opened the whole box instead. So I think I tried to open this up before. So some of the things that would hold the Millennium Falcon in place are not there anymore. So here it is. You have the Millennium Falcon drone, and there are two sets of propellers, one on the bottom and one on the top. And they look kind of bent. So that might be a problem. We might not get that good flight out of this because the top propellers are bent and the bottom ones look a little warped. Honestly, it may have sat in the sun or gotten the heat of the car, heat of the storage unit. I don't know. So that's one. Let's go ahead and look at the controller. Maybe there's some extra propellers in here. Oh, we dropped the paperwork. Alright, we got the paperwork here. Alright. And, oh no! And we got the controller. So we're going to check to see what batteries this takes. It's probably AA's. It does have a little charging cord, so I guess you actually plug the drone somewhere. There is a little switch on the bottom. Oh look, it's actually got some charge to it already. So there is a switch on the bottom, but I have no clue where to plug this in. Well, let's figure that out. But for now, there is a way to charge it. Down here, there's actually a USB cord for some reason. Power button. Oh look, we got battery power. So we're gonna try this out. You know what? Let's just turn this on right now and see if it actually works. So it does not look like it's actually working. Oh, there it goes. Alright. Well, it does turn it on. And Corbin's definitely curious. I don't know if you guys could see it, but my dog Corbin is here wondering what in the world just went on. So what we're going to do, since it does turn on, and it does have some battery power to it, we're going to take this guy, we're going to go ahead and fly it outside and see how bad or good it will actually fly. Not looking too hopeful, but here's flying. See you soon. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and test this out. See if I can get this to work. So I have charged it up. I'm trying to see if I can actually pair it. There we go. Alright, so we're going to see if I can get it to take off. I didn't have much success inside. To be honest, I don't think I'm going to have much success out here. But it is still worth a shot. Alright, go ahead and... That's full throttle. And it does not take off. So the Millennium Falcon is a bust. Does not look like it wants to fly. So I'm gonna go ahead and try maybe throwing it. I don't know. Alright, let's see if I can do that. Alright, there we go. Alright, Ready? That's all it does. So it looks like that would be a no. What do you think, Corbin? Yeah, I think that's a no for this thing ever flying. It's probably because the propellers are bent. I don't know if you guys can see how bent they actually are. They're just warped. I mean, this thing sat in a box for probably a couple of years before I even bought it. So, yeah. Oh, you just not cover the viewfinder, but yeah, there you go. There's a Star Wars Millennium Falcon Air Hogs. I mean, it looks kind of cool, but I think it's about it. This thing is made of some hefty styrofoam and some little plastic. And that is about it. So there it is. There's my review. Not a good drone, but then again, that could be after years of storage in a box. Maybe it was in the sun before I bought it. Who knows? But these propellers, they've seen some better days. Like, look at that. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I do hope you appreciate the view on this. I wish it was a more positive review of this, but it doesn't seem to be. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Hit the like button on your way out. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed. This is Craig with Squappy's Drone Videos, and thank you for watching. Bye, guys.